If you own a Duramax, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you guys what the HSP forward-facing thermostat housing is all about. I'm just getting started in here, and we're going to get this valley opened up a little bit, get that upper coolant pipe out of the valley. The first things that I do, take the belt off, unbolt the AC compressor, and then you can just grab it, swing it over to the side, get it out of the way, and then it gives you a lot more room to get down in there on that pipe. Take that hose clamp off. You got 2 bolts on the valve cover, one there, 4 on the housing, and then make sure you take the hose clamp off the turbo feed for the coolant, if you still have that. Over here on the bench, we got our forward-facing thermostat housing kit from HSP. This is a really nice kit, guys. These are super nice. Everything is all CNC machine, really high quality, super thick. Here's the block. So this will actually sit down on top of your thermostats. And then you've got O-ring seal for the upper housing. Bolts like that. And you got a couple hoses to couple this together. And then the 90-degree goes to the radiator. And if you guys still have a factory valley charger that utilizes coolant, you'll have to make sure you put the fitting in the back. And it does come with a seal washer, so don't forget to put that guy in there. Snug it up. So once you get that thermostat pipe assembly out of there, you can take it out as one piece. Be careful, it will probably spill a little bit of coolant out of it. Not all of it will drain. But now I'm just going to take some of the extra that I have and get it cleaned up while I have the thermostat housing out of the way. And then we'll work on getting the new pipe in. And another thing too, make sure these bolt holes are not full of coolant, or else you can actually blow out the thermostat housing, the neck up here. They're full of shit. Another thing too, if the thermostats do fall out, the back one has these 2 little steam ports. They need to be facing the firewall. And the front one is the longer of the 2. It goes in the front. Doesn't matter which way it goes. Now you guys are going to want to take your lower block with the recessed holes and the larger Allen bolts, and you're going to want to install that on top of the thermostats and torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Now you guys are going to want to route your turbo supply, coolant supply. I got mine routed through the valley. Comes up top there. Now you're going to want to take your upper part of your housing, put the coolant pipe on, AC compressor back, and you're done.